I turned this headphone to an amazing commercial poster. Let's get into the video. Make a new document with this setup. Just drop the headphone and make it a little smaller. Add a new layer and make a dual color gradient background. I am going with red color. Let's make a circle on top of the headphone. Move it further down. Also add the gradient effect. Duplicate the headphone. Change its angle. Add reflection of the headphone below it. By using layer mask, erase the edges. Make the brush to horizontal and add the shadow. Repeat the process. Add some sharpness and exposure to the headphone. Behind the headphone at the main text. Make it a little larger. And add the logo to the bottom of the poster. Place the discount tag at the right corner. Change its color to red. Make the ball smaller and place it to the right corner. Duplicate it, place it on left. Make some adjustments. By using solid color, change its color to red. Turn it to multiple. Convert the layer to Smart Object. Add some motion blur to it. By using blending option, create drop shadow effect for the headline. With curves, add some highlights and shadow to the balls. Finally, with the camera raw filter, make some adjustments.